Okay, so this is the front door, and right next to it is my little, what is this? Shoe storage, but I like never use it. On top of that is my blow up mattress that I haven't even used yet, but I don't have a mattress. But this is my couch. Maybe, yeah, I can zoom out. That's pretty cool. Okay, this is my couch. That's my dog. um I've been sleeping on the couch because I don't have a mattress right now. I'm gonna buy one soon. But yeah, this is the living room situation. And you can see the fridge from here, which I wish you couldn't see the fridge, but you kind of have to because it's very small. Where should I go from here? Well, this is still in the living room, obviously. This is my TV console from Amazon. I love it. This new edition of these flowers were my flower bouquet from my friend's wedding. This is Phoenix's cage in bed, his other bed with his toys, which he rarely even uses. And this is another console from Amazon I put together myself. Love this lamp. Had it for like years now with all of my apartments that I've had. There's very little light in here. So as you can tell, like the living room, it doesn't give much light, but it looks like it is right now, but it's not. If you hear my dog, he's just running around because he wants attention. His toys are on the ground as per usual. Let me turn on these lights. This is more light. Okay. This tapestry got from Amazon. Pretty much everything was from Amazon. This little end table, plant. And this is my pantry because I don't have much storage in my kitchen, as you will see. But yeah, I keep all of my like canned foods, dry foods, whatever, snacks and stuff here. And I have another console that don't look at me, I look horrible. I have another console here that that I store like water, his food. I don't have much storage in here, so I have to kind of make up storage as I go. But this mirror is also from Amazon. I love it. Trash can, refrigerator that you saw. This is my tiny little New York kitchen, as people like to call it. It's very small. It's like a one wall kitchen. This is a storage unit I got from, I think, Urban Outfitters. It was like on sale. My stove, love that it's glass top or whatever you call it. I like to keep it very minimal because it's very small and it can look cluttered really quickly. Keep my spices up there. Shelf is from Amazon. Big sink. And I have underneath storage that I keep my pots and pans, plates and stuff in here, cups, whatever, air fryer, all that stuff. I love these floors, actually. It's like why I really wanted this place, because it is like light and like woodsy, kind of like cabiny feel. So here is my bedroom. Let me turn these lights off. Here is my bedroom. And obviously that's my queen headboard. I got rid of my queen size bed because it was over 7 years old, and I'm gonna get a new one anyway, and I'm gonna make it a full-size bed. I'm gonna go lower in size because it's just me, single person. I love this rug. It's very colorful. Got it from Walmart. I got that picture recently from a thrift shop. I put this up here because this blocks like the AC unit. It's behind here. It's like some sticky wallpaper. I actually wish this wall was like half of a wall so it could carry out the light that is in here, because this bedroom gets the most light. Like you see, it's super dark in there and all the light just comes in here. But yeah, there's not much in here. Got my tapestry, fan, router, one dresser, and it's barely holding up that 50-inch TV that I don't even use, barely, because I already have another TV in there. My mirror. I have another huge mirror. This is like a nook area. I had my desktop computer there, but I store it because I don't use it. But I got this desk from Target. I love it. This rug also from a thrift shop. Everything is like either thrifted or on sale, whatever, Walmart. And this is my closet. I have a little chair here I don't use. Yeah, one window, end table. My walk-in closet is pretty nice. It's big. I need to do like a decluttering thing because I don't need all of these clothes, all my laundry stuff. And close-up shot of the nook area. I have like my bathroom stuff, miscellaneous stuff that's like from the bathroom that I don't need in there because it's very tiny. You can barely turn around in there. But I put some pictures on the wall of my friends, my sister and stuff. Have like little planters here. I love this huge mirror because it bounces off the light, so it actually gets a little bit more. Yeah, and this is the bathroom. This is the last thing. It's very small, but it's functional. I really love the tile in this shower. It's so pretty. I love it so much. The tub is like kind of dirty right now because I need to clean it. So this is very realistic. All my shower stuff here. I got this shower, not shower caddy, but it's like a over the storage toilet situation for my stuff. Got it from Facebook Marketplace, very cheap, like 10 bucks. And I just decluttered some other stuff, and I don't really use all of this stuff all the time, but all the essentials here. And that is pretty much it. That's my entire apartment tour. Yeah, if you want to see more from me, or if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. This is very quick. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.